Hello students, today's topic is law of motion. For study the law of motion, we have to know what is the force. So, first of all, we will study the force. Force is nothing but push or pull which can change the shape and size of the object. It can change the direction of the object. It can change the speed of the object. Yes, it is a push or pull. Okay, students? And forces, how many kinds of forces? Contact forces, first, second, non contact force. Yes, how can we define contact force? Contact force are force which acts only when objects are in physical contact with each other. These forces are produced when a body comes in contact with another body. Various types of contact forces are explained below. First, frictional force. We can understand this force by the figure. It is a table, and on the table a wooden block is shown. When we applied a push on the wooden block, then this table applied a force against the motion. It is called frictional force. So, frictional force is a contact force which is arises during the motion of the block when it is in physical contact of table. Next, tension in string. This figure is in this figure it is a bob and tension is here due to weight. Okay, so if weight is not, then there is no tension. So due to weight there is tension in the string. So tension in string is contact force. Tension is nothing but a force. It is a contact force. Yes, students, contact force. And next, normal reaction force. Suppose you have taken some block on your palm and its weight is W and its reactionary force is R. Reactionary force is due to weight. If weight is light, then reactionary force is less. If weight is heavy, then reactionary force will more or greater than before. So normal reaction force is also a contact force. Force exerted by the spring. Suppose you are pushing the spring or you are expanding the spring. If you are pushing the spring, there is a restoring force. And what is the restoring force? Restoring force is that force which wants to keep the objects in equilibrium position, means original position. ये वो फोर्स है जो इन दो ऑब्जेक्ट को पुरानी पोजीशन में, मीन्स ओरिजिनल पोजीशन में ले जाना चाहता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स. सपोज इफ यू आर पुलिंग हेयर, पुशिंग here you are pulling. If you are pulling the objects, then restoring force will inside. If you will pushing the object, then restoring force will be outside. So we can say restoring force is a contact force. Force during collision. Yes, you can understand by this figure. A block and B means A object and B object. During the collision, force A body applied a force on B and B body applied a force on A. So FAB and FBA. Okay, it is action and reaction. Contact forces and non-contact forces. Yes, next, what is not non-contact force? Non-contact force is gravitational force. In universe, each particle attracts every other particles due to its mass, but not in physical contact. They are not in physical contact, but they are attracting to each other. So it is a gravitational force. Okay. Examples: a ball placed on table starts rolling down when the table is tilted. टेबल को टिल्ट कर देते हैं तो बॉल इज रोलिंग डाउन. वाई? बिकॉज अर्थ इज अप्लाइंग ए फोर्स ऑन बॉल. दिस टाइप ऑफ फोर्स इज कॉल्ड non-contact force because ball and earth is not in physical contact. Example next, electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is also a non-contact force because in electrostatic force there are two charges kept at a distance but they attract each other. Why? Because there are force. It may be repulsion or attraction according to their charges, according to their intensity. But matter is here this, they are attracting to each other or they are repelling to each other without contact, without physical contact. Why? It is due to non-contact force. So this type of force is called non-contact force. Okay, students.